Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us here at North Shore Classic Cars. My name is Thomas, and today I have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful triple black 1969 Buick Skylark with the GS badging on it. Not a real GS, but a real Skylark with GS badging. This is a triple black, beautiful black paint job, black vinyl top, black interior. And I'm gonna walk the car and then we'll go for a little test drive. Sorry about the wind out here, but it's a little windy in Chi-Town, but a gorgeous day here at North Shore Classics. So I'm gonna walk the car showing you this beautiful paint job. There are no rust showing on this car, nothing visible. The paint job is like a mirror, and I'm not kidding when I tell you. I mean, look at this reflection. You can read the name off my shirts. It is spectacular. Upper end paint job, no doubt. Beautifully done. All the chrome on the car is like new. All the emblems. The glass on the car appears to be original. No cracks or anything like that. 15-inch newer Rally Buick wheels. New tires. This is a frame-off restored car in 2013. Okay. Look at all the stainless steel trim all around it. Just a beautiful, beautiful piece. And it has, well, I'll talk about the motor in a minute here. Look at the door jambs, are just gorgeous. Nice door panels, bench seat, excellent condition with seat belts. Back seat, excellent condition with seat belts. Package tray, excellent condition. It's got two 6x9s, excellent vinyl top, no rust underneath, no bubbling of any kind. Look at the door panels. Headliner is excellent. Upgraded wooden steering wheel. Car showing, well, it's been flipped, but the car showing a little bit over 100,000 miles on the body, but looks like new. Not kidding. Frame off restored 2013. So everything works on the car except that little clock there, and the wipers don't work, but everything else does. Heat, defrost, shifts excellent, automatic turbo 400, which we'll go over that. Aftermarket, old school looking radio. Dash is great. Gorgeous car. All the lights work, and what we'll do is we'll go for a little test drive. Okay, here we are back with the 69 Buick Skylark. We're gonna go for a little test drive. Beautiful car. Gorgeous car. We have financing up to 100%, no down payment. Here she comes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. How often do you see a 69 Buick Skylark triple black for sale? Beautiful. So I'm gonna go inside now, get out of the wind here and the sun, and I'll share with you the engine compartment and the trunk, and then I'll show you I think I already showed you the interior. Okay, thank you. So here we are inside now with the Buick 69 Skylark. This is a 455 engine, upgraded with MSD ignition, headers, Edelbrock intake, and a Holley 850 double pump. Has power steering, power brakes, no overheating issues, newer battery, newer alternator, just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. And I'm about to get it up on the lift here so we can take some photos of underneath. Look at this paint job, the reflection, it's gorgeous. I can't stop saying that word because I'm excited to have this car here. Look at the trunk, super solid. So this quarter panel on the left side has been totally replaced and done the right way. On the passenger side, same thing. During the restoration, both quarters have been replaced. Perfect solid trunk. That's for the jack placement there, which if you need a jack and a spare tire, you can get that on eBay for reasonably cheap. So once again, we're here at North Shore Classic Cars, located at 149 North Seymour Avenue in Mundelein. Over 120 cars in our inventory. Check us out at nsclassics.com, or I can be reached at 847-393-7887. My extension is 107. Thank you for watching.